Welcome back to the Dashman NashCam channel. I'm really excited today because you can finally go online and configure your 2020 Shelby GT500. This article popped up in my news feed talking about the most expensive Shelby, that it's $107,080. I was wondering how they came to that price, so I went to Ford.com and this is what I found. You look down there and you see the 2020 Mustang is now available to configure. But if you were looking to configure the Shelby GT500, you might think that you need to scroll all the way down here to performance vehicles, but you will not find it. You will find the Shelby GT350R, but you won't see the GT500 there. To get to that, you're going to need to go all the way back up and go ahead and click on the 2020 Mustang. Now, when you start here, you can scroll down and look at the different configurations of the Mustang. And they've got the EcoBoost, they've got the Bullet, they've got the GTs, and now you've got the Shelbys down here at the bottom. We're going to concentrate here on the left, the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500, starting at $72,900. Funny thing is, you look over here to the right, and the GT350R is just a little bit more expensive than the GT500. We're going to go ahead and do build and price for the 2020 Shelby GT500 and check it out. Now we're going to build our own. We're not going to let them search inventory. Right now there isn't inventory sitting around, so you're not going to find it that way. If you get to this page to configure, even though I've already selected 2020 GT500, it shows all these other models, and you scroll straight down, you're going to get the Bullet. So go ahead and leave that there. Over here on the left, you're going to scroll down, and there you can choose your Shelbys. And here you get the GT350, GT500 right here in the middle, with the GT350R on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and configure my Shelby GT500. This is already starting at $73,995, the way you're seeing it right here. I already have a few options if you look at this on here. So basically, it's got a stripe delete on it. I'm going for Velocity Blue, I'm going for the white side stripes, and I'm going for the racing stripes across the top. That adds $1,000. Now, if you look down here, it's $10,000 for painted stripes, and they only come in two different colors, Kona Blue racing stripes and Oxford white. So that's my car right there. That's what it's going to look like. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at the powertrain, which you have no extra choices on there. You're going to get the Tremec 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. A lot of people are not excited about that. I know the car is going to perform well. There's just something for me that I really like about the gear shift, feeling the car. I don't really like to listen to music while I'm driving very much. Why? Because I want to listen to the car, the sounds of the car, the revving, the going through the gears, the supercharger whine. That's the music to my ears, and I want to feel like I'm a part of the car. So it's a little bit of a different experience when you don't actually have the manual to make it feel like you're really kind of in control of that car. But this is what's available. This is a dream car of mine. This will be the first brand new car I've ever had in my life. There's no requirement to have a brand new car in your life. You can always buy a used car. Let someone else take that hit. But this could be the one and only brand new car I ever buy, and I'm going to do it. Let's look at the packages. Now, you've got your standard feature packages, and then underneath here you've got a handling package, technology package. You also have the carbon fiber track pack. I'm not going to be going for that. Look at the price there, $18,500. I realize the benefits that you can get on there and the weight that you're also taking off. You got a rear seat delete. Those wheels are amazing. However, I'm not going to be using it for that. I will take it to the track. It will run it, but not often enough to where I just need a track dedicated car. So I will go for the handling package, and I'm going to go ahead and get the technology package, and that's going to bring me to $79,870. Now we go back to the exterior, and you've got the choices of the wheels. Watch what happens if I want to choose just the carbon fiber wheels. If I hit that, it's going to tell me that it's going to add 17,000. Why? Because that's going to give me the track pack and remove the handling pack. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the 20-inch flow-formed high-gloss black aluminum wheels. Next up, we're going to go ahead and get a vehicle cover, and I think I'm going to get a blue cover to match the car. All right, I really think this build is just about done. Next step is to go over the interior, and I'm going to stick with the leather trim sport seats over the Recaros. I like the power seats, and if I dump those leather seats, I'm not going to have the climate controlled seats. And when I drive, I like to drive, and I like to drive for hours. So I definitely do want that comfort. As cool as the Recaro seats are, and as well as they fit your body when you're sitting in them, I really think that the regular seats are definitely going to be the ones for me for longevity in driving. Now, the only part that you can get of the track package that you can select separately without it forcing you to get the track package is the exposed carbon fiber instrument panel. I'm not really into the carbon fiber look inside the car. It's one thing if it's wheels or if it's a wing or if it's a splitter. So I'm not going to opt for that, and I really think that my build is done. As I scroll down here, it's just going to show me the technology package things that are included in the build that I've got. And that's basically it. Let's have a look at this thing. I think it looks fantastic. I'm really excited about it. Let's look around the car a little bit. I kind of wish it was kind of 3D, where I could just grab it and spin the car around, but that's really looking amazing. I think the color looks a little bit different on my monitor here. Okay, this is kind of funny. It's a bit of a glitch. If you look here, the spoiler's all messed up, and it looks like my racing stripes are painted over the messed up spoiler. I think that's a glitch that Ford's going to have to work on. They'll probably fix that, but that's pretty... I'm glad I've got that now saved forever. There, that's looking beautiful. Look at those Brembo brakes as well. I think the red really draws the eye. I think that's pretty cool. So that's the car. This is the one I'm going to get. Hopefully you like the channel. My channel is largely dedicated to dashcam videos, things captured on my car's dashcams. I have 7 vehicles now. This will be the 8th vehicle to add to the channel. I have 2 Hummer H2s, 2 Shelby GT500s, 2 classic Mustangs, and just recently added a real Humvee M998. You have to check out some of those videos coming soon. So when not a whole lot of things are happening on the dash cams, I like to feature me driving around in my other cars and working on them. So check out all my videos. If you're fans of any of these kind of cars or just dash cam videos at all, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That helps me a lot. And we'll see you on the next video.